Just wanted to ask about three questions. First is, you mentioned Nadi reading. You know, it's so magical, mystical, or such deep. You know, I just sent my thumbprint to my mother 2 years ago, and she had the Nadi reading. How do they find out who my mother is, my father is, my wife is, my kids are?
I think traditionally those few masters like a Bruhu, Sugar, Agastya had mastered the science like a mirror which will reflect Akashic records. Those leaves are not ordinary leaves, because not once, at least twice I got old. Once when I was 14-year-old boy, we went to this Vaidishwaran temple. We all went inside the temple, had darshan and came out. My father is a great believer of all this. So he went with the priest, and the priest took him to his house, which is just next to the temple. And that temple belongs to a monastery, which is our family monastery, like Madhurayadinam. And it's under Madhurayadinam, that temple. So we went and sat there. My mother, myself, and my younger brother, elder brother, all of us gave the thumb. Last I gave, he gave leaves for all of them and started reading out. His son and his younger brother read for each one. His son read for my mother, and he was reading for my father, and his younger brother read for my elder brother. Like this, they were sitting and reading. And finally my thumb he took and brought the leaf. The moment he came out with the leaf, he said, he is a sannyasi, an incarnation, so we have no leaf for him. He has a free will to decide his life. And whenever this kind of impression comes, we are supposed to do Pada Puja and offer things. Whatever today, that day he got, he gave the whole thing to me. And anyhow, that was not convincing for me. I asked for a leaf, that where it says very clearly. When I took the leaf, I understood very clearly my mother's name, the father's name, my grandfather's name, and even the name Nityananda. That time I have not assumed this name. I have not assumed the name. That time I had the name given by my parents and one initiation name given by my guru. Of course, I heard this word from Arunagiri Yogeshwara, but I have not assumed it as my name. And like if you show a mirror and how it will change whatever is above, like that I saw very clearly it was changing. And now for Biddi temple, we want to get the details. I wanted to get the details. Usually, whenever I take this major decision, not only I sit with my intuition, I try to find one more reference. See, even when some people come and ask me, should I marry or not and all that, if they are going to listen to my instruction, I will also be that responsible. So I tell them, please get me your horoscope also. I get, not apart from my intuition, I will have one more scriptural reference. Only then finally I will give them the conclusion. So with that Biddi temple, I want to do the same thing. Because I don't want anybody to demolish tomorrow the idea of my experience and pull the whole thing down. For example, this many religions founded by one master, if you just demolish and establish that person was never enlightened, whole religion collapses. But Hinduism doesn't have that problem. Understand? Because the Dhamma, the Atma Pramana and Apta Pramana always matches, correlates. So I wanted the whole thing to be established with both the documents, Atma Pramana and Apta Pramana. Apta means rishis, the traditional great masters Pramana. So that's why I wanted these leaves for this temple. So when we went and this guy read out and gave us some 13 different places where we have to dig and get the material. So during that time also I told, give me the leaf. He said, Swamiji, when you ask, how can I say no? Please take the whole thing. And he sent one full suitcase. And first one set, I read the information and copied it. Like I scanned and read out and recorded. Then the second set of questions, the same leaf I am picking, and just the words are changing. And I don't know how to, even for you guys, I know how difficult it is for you guys to believe. But what I am saying is with all my integrity. That's all I can say. Nothing else. I don't have any other proof. But finally we have the leaf now with us. The first set of scanning we have. Second set, same leaf, second set of scanning is different. I have. So somehow I feel this bunch of leaves created by them are more like a mirror of the cosmic archives.
Makes sense.
That is why the other guys who don't have the original leaf are not able to do it authentically. You understand?
Yes.
Only the traditional guys are able to do it authentically.
Swamiji, it was done 22 years ago. It also talked about my past life. It also talked about my present life. It also talked about my future life. Future life means life that hasn't happened yet. Very accurately, where they did say, I will lose my older sister to multiple sclerosis. She'll be having a lot of money spent for her cure and all that. It's happened. She's passed away. But they did say that I have to go to Tirupati, Balaji and do my case. I did that for the Upai. And then they did say that I will lose my parents. Now, I don't know, because you are my guru. They're living, both of them, today. In February, my father, when he turned 89, he got ill. And I had just returned from Puerto Rico on a company trip, and I got to Dallas, and I got a message that my father's ill. He's giving up on life. He put the covers on him. He said, I'm nauseated. I want to take my life. And then the very next day, I got on the flight. I did from LA to Delhi. I was only chanting your name because I'm submerged and merged just like Arunagiri Yogi. You're the only Ishta Devta I have. Because every day is a boon to me. Every day is a miracle to me. So when I got to Delhi, he wasn't eating. I said, just like you take care of a child, I had to raise him up, and I sent you a personal message. You said the pastor. I raised his back. I put my foot on his back. I said, Dad, here, you got to drink liquids. So I gave him Ensure. I gave him glucose. Now, that was February. We're almost end of the year. He has more spunk. He has more fire in him. He wants to go to Rishikesh. He was not going to the kitchen to make tea for my mother, which he did every morning as a ritual, and fresh coconut. He's doing that again now. And I want to thank you so much.
I'll take care of him. I'll take care of him.
And I'm going there now after this.
Blessings.
Thanks, Swamiji. Because that Nari reading said that I will lose my parents, is it because maybe my DNA is merged with
See,
you?
I can say the Guru can intervene and change even the Brahma's handwriting. As I said, Brahma's handwriting can be wiped by the Guru's leg. And I'll wipe it and I'll clear it, don't worry.
Two more things. One, not happy with where I am. You know that. She's not happy with the business the way it is right now.
I'll take care of that.
Well, I have no questions. That's why I'm here. To me, this is more important than anything else. Like in your throne, there's no more room for anybody else other than Arunagiri Yogi. In my throne, you know, everything else other than you is just a sidekick. Well, I think I'm immersed in you and you're immersed in me. So that's the space I reside in. But Swamiji, there is, every time I have gone through these processes, I have had such a fulfilled life. I've said this invariable times. Swamiji, I have no desires. I have no wishes. I did send you an email when I did your End Wealth program that everything I wished for, everything I dreamed of, everything that I have hoped for, you've delivered way beyond what I've asked for. I asked for son-in-law, you delivered. Because my daughter only wanted a tall, handsome doctor.
Order. Made per order.
Yeah, I did the 40 days of prayer and fasting, and because you came into the place between my home and my office, I can't help but go to Abhishekam to your Shivalinga. So after the 40 days of prayer and fasting, I only met you first time when you did the discourse at the LA temple, but that night when you came into the Sabha, and you know how you walk? You don't walk, you float. And you were wearing all white. That was the first time my eyes met your eyes, and I said out loud, मेरे को साक्षात भगवान के दर्शन हो गए हैं. And Swamiji, I was bawling like a child. I profusely was crying, and this lady standing next to me says, "Why are you crying?" I said, "I found God." And from that day forward, anything I placed the order, you've delivered more than. But finally, you made a mention of Learjet. I don't know, I can't even ask if you remember, you know. But on my vision board, I have a Bentley and I have a Learjet. And when I went through the End Wealth program with you, I sent you an email, Swamiji. I don't want one Learjet or one Bentley. I want two. One for my master and one for me.